thank you for tuning us here today here at the good old Lacona, New York Storm Chasers. I'm Derek Burdick, meteorologist, taking you through your afternoon every half an hour of your weather updates. We'll take you straight on right now to your weather updates here at the tip of the hour, starting with some of your very interesting updates here for the weather here, the storm, the wonderful good old storm, I should say. And boy, is it very interesting, the lake effect that we're getting. We're going to do a screen share, and we're going to show you exactly some of this weather information here. We're going to bring it to, and you should be seeing something right now, as a matter of fact. Oh, yes, indeed. So with that being said, everybody should be seeing this and present it to everyone. So with that being said, we're going back to this here, and with that being said, um, we have some lake effect snow warning. Indeed, we're in code red, fully activated to ensure that we're giving you the best information and monitoring possible of the storm. Lake effect snow warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Locations: Wayne, northern Cayuga, and Oswego counties, with the greatest snow amounts expected from northeastern Wayne County across the northern Cayuga and southern Oswego counties. Timing from late this morning through late Thursday night. Accumulations 3 to 6 inches today and 3 to 5 inches tonight. 3 to 5 inches Thursday and 4 to 8 inches Thursday night. Leading storm totals 11 to 21 inches. The most persistent lake snows. Winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Visibility as low as quarter mile at times. Impacts lake effect snow and blowing snow will result in very difficult travel and at times with snow-covered roads and greatly reduced visibilities. All right, so we got a three-day forecast update quickly for you. We got some visibility clouds with snow showers today, high of 28. Winds west at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 50%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Heavier amounts in persistent snow bands Wednesday night. Cloud with snow, low 14. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 100%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Heavier snow amounts and persistent snow bands. Thursday, looking at snow likely, high of 14, winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour, chance of snow 70%, snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Thursday night, cloudy skies and late night snow showers, low of 8, winds at northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour, chance of snow 60%, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Friday, looking at some cloudy with some snow showers, early and steady snow, likely later in the day. High near 25, winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Friday night, snow in the evening will give way to some lingering snow showers overnight. Low of -2. Winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow 100%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Precip forecast updates to between 2:15 and 8:15 between this afternoon and tonight. Light snowfall and looking about approximately 2.35 inches possible. Indeed. So we get you some of those updates. We're going to take you to your live conditions here as we speak. Now, your live conditions are quite interesting as well. So let's put you there right now. We got your live conditions where we broadcast our information on, and you'll see here on the screen, indeed. And right now we're looking at 27 degrees. Feels like 20 outside because of a little bit of winds coming from the west. West at 5.8 inches. I'm having some brain farts today. Wonderful. Today's forecast to be nearly the same temperature as yesterday. Indeed. And so that being said, it's not really too bad. We'll go more conditions for it. Pressure at 29.58 inches. We got visibility at 1.5 miles. 1.5 miles. Well, you put that snow in effect. That's the reason why. Few clouds up there at 1,000 feet. Mostly cloudy at 1,700 feet. Overcast clouds at 2,200 feet. Wind chill at 20 degrees. Dew points at 21 degrees. Humidity at 70%. Moisture is right up there, so we know that that indeed is going to keep it rolling like the wind. Alrighty, so up next we got a little bit of indeed. We're going to show you another piece of your weather. And then basically we're going to show you, which is basically if this thing wants to cooperate. Thank you. All right, so now we have up the Doppler radar. As right now, we're going to show you around Lacona, New York. Nothing really major going on, but we got a couple of different spots of flurries of snow coming around. I tell you, around maybe Mansville, maybe south of that a little bit. You go up around the mountain area, Tuck Hill Forest, and all that. You see some stuff up there. You go up into Watertown, outcasted out just a little bit, which is about basically east of Watertown. Our Carthage is getting slammed right now, as you can see. Um, really, Felts Mills, Black River, they're all getting some wipeout conditions, possibly at this point. You see the darker shades are the ones that are getting a little bit heavier at this point. So we're going to take it out a little bit. We're going to show you the south part of ours. And look at this. You can actually see Mexico, 236, which is up to date. Mexico, you're seeing a little bit of snow down here. Altamar, and you're getting, looks like you're getting hammered. Richland, you're getting some snow. Just bypassed Pulaski. Oswego is getting slammed right now. Minetto's getting slammed. Fulton, you're getting some good snow over here. You can see the darker shades. We'll pull in just a little bit closer for you to see. You can see the darker shades from the lighter, which means you're getting heavier precip. Indeed, you can see different touches over here. You can see North Hannibal. You're getting some good, some really good snow over here. Fairhaven, get some good snow. North of Syracuse, you're seeing some snow a little bit from the north area of you. Get some snow. Syracuse Airport, it looks like you're clear for the moment. Cicero, you're getting covered with clay. Indeed, we're going down here to over to the west. Last time I knew and I checked, Rochester was getting some snow over here. Indeed, we're getting some snow patches around Rochester. He bolted in a little bit, just bypassed the city of Rochester, so it's now going towards Panorama. We also got up over here, Greece. You're going to be seeing some snow rotating here. Basically, some snow patches here, and you should be seeing some coming up your direction here very shortly. Brockport, you should be seeing some snow come up your direction very shortly. Clarendon, you're going to be seeing some snow very shortly. I'm going to pull it out a little bit, and we'll see and take a look. Wilson, you are getting some snow. Lyndonville, you're seeing some snow over here. You can see a lot of different snow spells. So you can see the heavier ones. Use the energy of the lake. Lake Ontario, like I said, our Great Lakes, we get that fuel that fuels this whole thing up. We'll take this out a little bit for you and show you a little bit over here off to the east. Oneida Lake, it's using some of that energy over here too. So Rome, we see that you're getting a little bit over here. Utica, we see a little bit over here. You're getting some patchy snowfall. Other than that, we'll show you a time frame, spread it out a little bit of the motion of what's going on here, which we're seeing some snowfall. Will take its motion here, which only takes a few moments. As you can see, it's using the fuel because when it bypasses this point, you'll see that what it's using is actually the fuel, the water, the cooler air over warmer waters of Lake Ontario, which basically fuels us up, rises the moisture, basically creates these lake effect snows. You can see that's consistent and it's feeding off from the lake right now, which we're doing. We're going east from the lake, so we're going boom, boom, boom. You can see the travel of the clouds right now. We can take it out further. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about when I play this back in motion again, of all these different things going on. So you'll see a little bit of snow coming through here, and up north, south, east, and west. So it looks like the shape of New York State. And you look at this Doppler, you can see the basically the Great Lakes. It's feeding off from over here as well. Because you look over here, look at this. Just within the Canadian area, you'll see Hamilton, Toronto. It's feeding off these lakes too. You can see that rotation right here. The fuel to over here. And I'll show you. And you'll see some of that come over here. Which basically comes around here, and you'll see it flowing. Then it uses this. So it just keeps on traveling from the Great Lakes. Indeed. We'll take you to your 511 travel updates. We'll show you that right now as we speak. And your travel updates here, which consist of right now, I'm showing you. basically, we got some slick conditions, snow and ice on around 81. You can see that using its website, got some pink, which is ice. Watertown, you're seeing it. There hasn't been any closures yet, which is good. We'll show you some traffic speeds. On traffic, it's telling me that you are running fast, keeping flowing, taking you where you got to go. Just be aware that there could be some slick spots to be aware and cautious and taking easy for the safety and the of the people. So just keep an eye on that. Everything's looking green, but there is some reported um, some slick spots in areas. So just keep an eye out because there is still snow and ice on the road. All right. Well, thank you for tuning with us here. We'll take you to another update at the tip of the hour. Once we get at 3 o'clock, we'll be back. Thank you for tuning with us here today. I'm Derek Burdick. Hoping you have a great afternoon. So 3 o'clock, we'll talk to you again. Thank you very much for being enjoying your day. Yes, indeed.